What is up, YouTube? Hope you're having a great day. Got a cool video for you today. I have received my Borla ATAK exhaust. It's right here. Just got it via FedEx. We're gonna install this thing on my 2021 Challenger SXT Plus all-wheel drive. Right after we roll that intro, I'll do a cold start. We'll do a before and after and see how this goes. All right, let's kick this off.
I can see my name in lights, spark from the heart and it shines so bright. Yeah, let the whole world know. Let's go, let's go,
That's good.
I can see my name in lights, ball till I fall and I'm feeling alright. Yeah, so let the whole world know. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Okay, here we are. I'm gonna load this exhaust into my son's truck here in just a minute, but let's do a cold start and compare and contrast before we head over to the exhaust shop. All right. Okay, here we go with a before. Let's do the start here. All right, now let's go get this exhaust put on. Settles in there. Doesn't sound terrible. All right, we'll check in with you in a few.
The next morning.
Oh boy. All right, guys. So it is the next day, and we showed up at the exhaust shop that I have used in the past. They installed my Corsa exhaust on my Pontiac G8, my 2009 Pontiac G8 GXP actually, and they couldn't fit me in. So I had to scramble and find another shop, and the shop I found, it's got good ratings, but boy, is it off the beaten path, way downtown here. So it's kind of old school exhaust shop. So I am waiting for my Lyft driver to show up so I can get a ride back down there and go see how this thing sounds. So catch up with you in a few. All right, guys, here I am. I did do a quick start on it already. Sounds a lot better. Hang on, let's check this out. All right, check out that beautiful octane red color. I love it. Okay, let's do this. Here we go. Oh yeah, that is way better. That sounds like a Challenger. Woo! So I did not take pictures of the Borla exhaust laid out. I just in a hurry didn't have time, but here is what was taken off. This is the original OEM exhaust. I am leaving that for garbage basically. And let me tell you something, these are friggin' heavy. Here we are pulling away from the shop. I think you can hear some of the noise this is making. Definitely different. Obviously it's not a V8, doesn't sound like a V8. When it starts up, it's got a nice low rumble. You heard that, real satisfying. On acceleration, it's making some noise. It's making V6 noise, but it sounds pretty good. And then we're gonna give it a test here up at higher speeds. I expect that on acceleration, it's gonna, it's gonna rip, make some sound. And then once I get up to sort of highway speeds, I expect that it'll settle down with no drone. So let's see if that is true. Okay guys, I'm gonna jump onto the freeway here. Let's give it a little acceleration, see how she sounds. Hopefully you can pick up on that inside of here. I tried rolling the window down. I don't think it helped. So let's give it a little bit of a whirl. Here we go. Rolling onto the old freeway here. Okay. Okay, Borla, not bad. All right. Cruising speed. No drone. No drone. Okay, okay, Borla. I'm liking it. Oh yeah. I'm liking this one a lot. Wow. California highways just suck. First impressions, pretty good. I'm getting used to this now. I like it. I like it. Sounds like a Challenger, or what a Challenger should sound like, or let's say a V6 Challenger, all-wheel drive. Definitely brings it to life, wakes it up, and I don't know, you know? I'll make another video, drive it for 1,000 miles, and check back in on this exhaust system, but so far, I like what I see. Thanks, guys. 4 Guys Talking Cars. Jared here. Like and subscribe. Appreciate the support. Hope you're having a good day. Take care.
Dang,
that's good.
Spark from the heart and it shines so bright. Yeah, so let the whole world know. Let's go, let's go, let's go.